Meanwhile, it was an emotional day today in the Amber Guyger trial as the former Dallas police officer took the stand in her own defense.
I hate myself every single day. I feel like I don't deserve a chance to be with my family and friends.
CBS 11's J.D. Miles joins us live from the Dallas County Courthouse where the defense testimony continues. J.D., a very emotional day there.
Certainly was, Gilma. There were no visible reactions from jurors during Amber Guyger's 3+ hours in the witness stand. The former officer, for the very first time, offered her version of what happened and this tearful apology.
I feel like a terrible person. I feel like a piece of crap. I hate that I have to live with this every single day of my life. And I ask God for forgiveness, and I hate myself every single day. I feel like I don't deserve a chance to be with my family and friends. I wish he was the one with the gun that killed me. I never wanted to take an innocent person's life.
Amber Guyger started her testimony talking about her dream of being a police officer so she could help people. But soon she was asked about the events of September 6, 2018, inside the Southside Flats apartment building. She told the jury what we already know, that she parked on the 4th floor instead of the 3rd floor. She showed the 3 different bags, including an armored vest she was carrying that she says caused her to overlook the red doormat outside Jean's apartment. She says she didn't notice her key not working because the door was cracked open. Guyger then insisted. She yelled, "Let me see your hands," twice before shooting John, who she says appeared as a silhouette coming at her from the back of the apartment. After realizing her mistake, Guyger says she had to leave John alone in the apartment while calling 911 because she didn't know where she was. She claims she tried, quote, a little CPR on John as he was bleeding to death. But under cross-examination, prosecutors grilled her on why she didn't do more to save the man's life or consider just backing away from the apartment and taking cover.
Why couldn't you have given him full, undivided, and proper attention?
I was still on the phone with...
You can put the phone on speakerphone, ma'am.
I had so much stuff racing through my head.
At one point, the judge called a recess because Guyger was breaking down on the stand. How this apology and her explanations will play with the jury is something we'll know in the coming days. The trial will continue tomorrow, the judge says, because the jury is sequestered. Live in Dallas, J.D. Miles, CBS 11 News.
All right, J.D., thank you very much. As you can imagine, the interest level for this case surged inside the Crowley Courthouse when Guyger's testimony began earlier today. Our Steve Pickett live now inside the Crowley Courthouse with more on that. Steve?
It was a sight to see to be here in this building today. I can tell you, Ken, in courtrooms and offices, even in elevators, the focus of so much attention was that testimony from Amber Guyger. So many people watching it in this particular fashion. Take a look at what we found on virtually every floor of this building. Lawyers, clients, security, bailiffs, judges, yes, the media, all watching and listening to the testimony of the former police officer accused of murder in the death of her neighbor. Hundreds were watching on cell phones or laptops. The courthouse internet system here, according to personnel, was programmed to actually block all news sites because so many people were trying to watch the case on work computers. It was simply overloading the system. Those that were watching here in these hallways and other locations, they said specifically they wanted to hear Guyger's testimony.
I believe tragic accident. That's what I believe. I don't think she intentionally murdered anybody.
It was a bad move. There could have been other things she could have did. Tasers, pepper spray, something.
Yes, sir.
Why react and pull your gun out?
Those kinds of opinions, they vary throughout this building today from the top floor to the bottom. We saw people with those cell phones in their hands finding the way to watch that testimony from that former officer. Reporting live, Steve Pickett, CBS 11 News.